Hotel Association announced its commitment to Oceania's coral reef restoration program in Quintana Roo, as part of its effort to preserve local marine ecosystems and support coral reef recovery. Starting from the 35th edition of the Cancun Travel Mart, that is the most important marketing and networking event in the Mexican Caribbean. For wholesale agencies and tour operators from Mexico and over 15 countries, the calculation and offsetting of the event's carbon footprint were carried out. As a result, Hotel Association joined efforts for the restoration of coral reefs in the Mexican Caribbean. Through the Oceania's Restoration Program, which aims to increase the number of healthy live coral colonies on the reef by transplanting specimens grown in coral nurseries. The contribution involves providing donations and communicating the progress of the restoration program in the northern area of Quintana Roo. The objective is to produce a greater number of coral colonies and promote the recovery of the reefs. The project, focusing on the coast of Quintana Roo and the Gulf of Mexico, includes the design of specialized nurseries for the production of healthy live coral fragments. Once these fragments have grown, they are transplanted and permanently fixed at restoration sites to promote reef recovery. Oceania's in the last 10 years has transplanted over 84,000 coral colonies in the Mexican Caribbean, achieving an average increase of 2% in coral cover at restoration sites.
Beep.